Hi folks, this is just a quick little video to introduce the idea of training your manual dexterity to make you a better artist. The idea here is that I just drew a grid on a big Samsung digital whiteboard, and I've colored in watercolor mode and just gone back and forth and zigzag back and forth and tried to force myself to do different things and do different colors, and as you can see, a lot of different crazy quilt shapes and such, and zigzags and back and forth. You can see that I've done spirals either clockwise and counterclockwise. I'm right-handed, so I tend to do right-handed zigzags, and I force myself to do zigzags that go in the opposite direction. You need to train yourself to do different things in an effort to make yourself a better painter, to break out of the sameness of the way that you do things, and practice. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Bye now.